The 2025 Plymouth Hemi Cuda is rewriting muscle car history. Sporting a fierce design, it balances retro charm with modern aesthetics. Check out that split grille, sleek LED headlights, and 20-inch alloy wheels. Inside, it's luxury meets tech, with premium leather, a 12-inch touchscreen, and a fully digital dashboard. Under the hood, a beastly supercharged 6.4-liter Hemi V8, delivering 700 horsepower, rocketing you from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds. Plus, advanced suspension and Brembo brakes make handling tight and responsive. With next-gen safety features, the 2025 Hemi Cuda isn't just a looker, it's a true game-changer in performance.